Tilaka, stand up and close your eyes, Tilaka. Very good. See, me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open up your eyes. Open your eyes, everyone. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Both of your hands. Yes, good morning. Very good, children. Good morning, everyone. Okay, first, all of you are ready with your calendar? Ready with your calendar? We are going to color the date. What is the date today? Yesterday was 7. Today is 8. Wednesday. Okay. Take your calendar, take your color pencil and start coloring the date 8. Come on, finish coloring it fast. We are going to do the next activity. Yes, color 8. Inside the boundary, children. Don't color it outside the boundary. See, ma'am has colored the number 8. Can you see? Finish. 8. What is the day? Straight up if you see. Wednesday. Okay. Take your pointer finger. Keep it in number 8. And then straight you go up. You can see the day. It's Wednesday. Yes? Yes, Wednesday. Okay, children. And what is the month? Month is
Vinita ma'am, once
July.
again, sorry for the disturbance.
Yeah, tell me,
May I know
ma'am.
the child name of Gayatri Tanvi?
I myself don't know, ma'am.
Parents of parent Gayatri Tanvi, please unmute your mic and tell me the child name.
Mokshita. Is she Mokshita? What is your name, ma? Tell me your name. Yes, what is your name? Tell me, please.
Loud.
Gayatri Tanvi, parent name Gayatri Tanvi. Please unmute your mic and tell me the child name.
Yes. Can you please tell me?
Okay, Vanilla ma'am, carry on. I will carry on.
Good morning, children. Everyone, I told you to mute, right? Everyone should mute yourself, okay? Then only you can hear me very well. Okay, children? Now show me your dates. Very good, children. All of you have colored number 8. Now take your pointer finger. Keep it in number 8. And straight up if you go. What is the day? It's Wednesday. Okay? And what is the month? It is July. Okay, children? Yes, you understand? Very good, children. Okay, now keep your calendar down. Everyone finished? Very good. Keep your calendars down. All of you stand up for the activity. Breathing exercise. Shall we start our breathing exercise? Yes? Come on, all of you. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, children? Now breathe in through your nose. Breathe in. And now breathe out through your mouth. Second time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Rohita, come on, do it. It's good for your health, Rohita. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good, children. Now all of you jump, jump, jump. Jump, mountain jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10 times. Now we are going to count from 11 to 20. Ready, all of you? Ready. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, after 19, 20. Very good.
Kindly mute your phone.
Okay. Here everyone, look at ma'am, everyone. Yes, everyone mute yourself. Come on. Ranita, mute. Everyone should mute, okay? Then only you can hear me, children. Mute yourself, okay? Now we are going to do the head shoulders. First, ma'am is going to sing slowly. Then ma'am will sing fast, okay? Are you all ready? Hi, Mokshita. Very nice to see you, Mokshita. Okay. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Now, ma'am is going to sing very fast, okay? Are you all ready? Let me see how many of you are going to catch me. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, One more time, fastly we'll do. Yes, one more time, children. Very nice to see you, children, like this. Okay, ready, steady, go. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Very good, very good, very good. Clap hands for yourself, children. Very good, very good. Very nice to see you all like this. Okay, our next time is going to be roly-poly. We are going to learn the opposites words also. Okay, ready? Do the action along with ma'am, children. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, down, down, down. Down, everybody, down. Roly-poly, right, right, right. Roly-poly, left, left, left. Roly-poly, front, front, front. Roly-poly, back. Have to clap, back, okay? Back, back, back. Roly-poly, big, big, big. Big, you have to show your hands like this, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. Small like this. Very good, Farnas. Come on, do it, Farnas. Roly-poly, fat, fat, fat. Fat like this. Roly-poly, thin, thin, thin. Thin like this. Okay. Roly-poly, tall, tall, tall. Tall means like this. Tall, okay? Roly-poly, short, 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 okay? Next, roly-poly. Keep your hand like this. All of you keep your hand like this. Open, open, open. Open you have to do like this, okay? Roly-poly. Now open you have kept like this, right? Close, close, close. Open, how will you do, children? Open, close. Open, close. Open, close, okay? Roly-poly, slowly, slowly, slowly. Roly-poly. Fast. Very good, children. Very good, very good, very good. Now all of you go inside, drink 1 glass of water and come back. Come on, ma'am is waiting. Come on, all of you drink water and come back. Yes, children, drink water. Everybody take your water bottle and drink water. Yes, very good, very good. You're all ready with your water bottle today. Wonderful, children. You're all ready with your water bottle. Very good. Yes, Nitek. Finish drinking water, Dev Krish. Everyone should drink water. I must not see anyone without drinking water. Everyone should go. At least you have to take 2 sips of water. Okay? Finish? Now keep your glass aside, water bottle aside. Everyone sit in your place. You know what you should say during the attendance session, right? My name is Vanilla. I am in junior KG. You have to say your name, okay? Ma'am is telling my name. You have to say your name, okay, children? Are you all ready? Thumbs up. Let me see how many of you are ready. Thumbs up. Yes, many of you are ready. Very good, very good, very good. Now we are going to start our attendance session. Devarakshita, are you there? Devarakshita? Devarakshita is there, Uma ma'am? Okay. Next, Danvin.
I am Dhanvi Sai. My name is Dhanvi KV.
My name is Dhanvi Sai and
No, totally upside down you're saying. Oh my God. You say my name is Danvin.
Dhanvi KV.
Okay, very good. Dev Krish. Come on. Fatafat say it quickly. Come on.
சொல்லு.
My name is Krish.
I'm studying in junior KG. What? Okay, I'm closing my face. Now you say.
Okay, நீ மேம் பாரு.
Okay, say. No need to feel shy, Dev Krish. You have to say, I am studying in junior KG.
Junior KG. Shh. I am in
Okay, Dev Krish.
Junior KG.
Very good, Dev Krish. Dikshan. Dikshan. Very fast, Dikshan. Parnas. Very good, Dikshan. Parnas.
Nani ma'am. I
Yes.
am my Fatima. I am in Junior KG.
Very good, Parnas. Ashni.
I am studying Junior KG.
Oh, Ashni. Why so fast? You didn't tell your name?
My name
My
is
name is
My
Ashni.
name is Ashley. I am studying Junior KG.
Very good, Ashni. Janvi. Janvi.
I am Junior KG.
Very good, Janvi. Kartikeyan.
Thank you, ma'am. Junior KG. My name is Kartikeyan. 4 years old.
Okay, Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
Ma'am. I am in Junior KG.
Tell me your name first. My name is Kavyarni.
My name is Junior KG.
Very good, Kavyarni. Mitran. Mitran is here. Mitran.
Leila ma'am. Sorry for the interruption. Gayatri Tanvi.
Someone named Gayatri.
Vanilla ma'am.
Uma ma'am.
Vanilla ma'am. Uma
Uma
here.
ma'am. Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Gayatri Tanvi is the new child. She is unmuting
Okay,
for her attendance. Okay, you just listen her
Okay, I'll
attendance. Yeah.
fix her name. I'll add her name. Gayatri Tanvi, come on, Gayatri Tanvi. Good morning, Gayatri Tanvi. Hello. Hello, Gayatri. You're new, right? You know what is your man name? You know what is my name? You know what is my name? My name is Vanilla. Okay? Vanilla, ma'am. Okay, Gayatri. Okay, very good, very good. So nice to see you, Gayatri.
Nice to meet you.
Very good. Okay, Mitran. 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 Okay, I'm marking Mitran. Mokshita. 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 I'm marking you, Mokshita. Okay, Nitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Nitek. Wonderful, Nitek. Nukshita.
Nikita.
Nukshita. Yeah. Come on, Nukshita. Say it loudly, ma.
Junior KG.
Very good, Nukshita. Pranita.
I am Pranita. I am Junior KG.
I'm studying in junior KG. Okay, Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik is there.
Ma'am, Mokshita also there.
I called Mokshita. Ma'am, Ritvik, are you there, Ritvik?
Next year.
Mokshita.
Chibu.
I am studying in KG.
My name is Rohita. Junior KG. I'm studying.
What happened, Rohita? Okay, very nice, very nice. Sai Nitesh. Sai Nitesh, are you there? Okay, Satvika, Sri. Satvika. Satvika, are you there, Satvika? Okay, Ritvik.
I am in junior KG.
Yes, very good, Ritvik. Well done, Ritvik. Siddharth. Siddharth. Okay, very good, Siddharth. Tarnika. Yeah, Tarnika.
I am in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. 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 Have to say, my name is Tilakar.
My name is.
Tilakar. I'm studying in junior KG.
UK Junior KG.
Junior KG. Very good, Tilakar. High five. High five, Tilakar.
I first.
High five. Very good, Tilakar. Well done, Tilakar. Vishank. Vishank. Vishank.
My name is Vishal.
No chocolates for Vishank. Chocolate, no chocolate. I'll tell Daddy not to give chocolates. Chocolate. Chocolate. Come on, tell me. My name is Vishank.
My name is Sitank.
I'm studying in.
Yes. I am in junior KG.
Very good. You will work only for chocolate? Is that? Okay, Vivan. Vivan.
Hey Vivan, say your name.
Vivan.
What? Say.
Vivan. See, I'm going to come to your house, Vivan, and see what you're doing. See. Vivan.
Say da.
Vivan, I'm marking you, Vivan. You're always smiling, Vivan. What to do? Even I can't be angry on you. Zaidi. I'm studying in junior KG. Okay, very good, children. Well done. The Ragnan session is over. And we are going to move on to our phonic rhyme. You all remember our phonic rhyme, right? Yes or no? Yes, I'm going to show the alphabet and you are going to sing the rhyme, children. Ready? Ready, all of you? What alphabet is there? Phonic rhyme. What alphabet is this? Pranita? Pranita, tell me what alphabet is this? Naitik, tell me what alphabet is this, Naitik?
Para.
A. And they're causing me alarm. How will you shout? Like this. Okay? And bite you, what you will do? You shout like that. Yes or no, Naitik?
Yes.
Okay, next letter, who is going to say? Let me ask Farnas. Farnas? Small B. Come on, sing the rhyme. Phonic rhyme. B rhyme. B rhyme. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Okay, Farnas? And then next alphabet is Siddharth. What alphabet is this, Siddharth? Siddharth?
என்ன சொல்லு? Small C.
Small C. What is the phonic sound of C? Do the actions and
Sound
show
of
me.
silence.
All of you should do. Not only Siddharth, everyone have to do. Okay, children? We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. What is the sound of C, children? Okay? And our next letter is Janvi. Janvi. Janvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
What alphabet is this? What alphabet is this?
D.
D. Come on, sing the phonic rhyme.
D.
Sing the phonic rhyme. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun. With the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Very good, Tarnika. Well done, Tarnika. Now Tarnika is going to say, what is this, Tarnika? Yes, Tarnika. Where are you? E. Come on, sing the phonic rhyme for this. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Track the egg like this. Okay, children. Today our new alphabet is small letter E. This worksheet only we are going to do today. Okay. Now I want you children to go inside and bring any material related to E alphabet. It can be an egg. It can be an elephant toy. Can be an envelope. Whatever it is, earphone. Whatever it is related to E, you have to bring. Come on, run inside and bring one material and show it to ma'am. Everyone, one by one, go and bring. Engine. Very good. Tarnika brought engine. Nitik brought earphone. E for earphone. Very good. I'll say ears. E for ears. Yes. He finished it. Ears. Karthikeyan brought elephant. Very good, Karthikeyan. Janvin, what did you bring? E for? What is that? E for? Eraser. Very good, Janvin. Wonderful, Janvin. I didn't expect this. Very good. Eraser. Kavyani, what did you bring? Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute and call one by one. Okay? Kavyani, what did you bring? Kavyani brought an egg. Very good, Kavyani. And then Gayatri, what did you bring? That is Anvi. Elephant. Very good. Very good. Very good. Well done. Ivan, what did you bring, Ivan? What did you bring? Egg. Very good. Ritvik. Ritvik, what did you bring? Ritvik. Earphone. Very good, Ritvik. Very good. Siddharth also brought an earphone. Very good. And then Tilakar. What? What is that? Something I can't see. Show it close. Elephant. Very good, Tilakar. Tilakar, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, you all brought one material related to E. Very good. Now I want all of you to take your E worksheet. Okay? You want to take your E worksheet. You want me to tell the number?
Vanilla ma'am.
Yeah.
Rohita.
E for eraser and egg. Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Well done, Rohita. I saw yours. Good, good. All of you take your E worksheet. Worksheet number D. D14. You will have this E. Okay, children. Yes. Who is that? Who's that, Ma? Very good, Farnaz. I saw yours. Very good. Very good, Farhan. See, I want you to write letter E. E for
தம்பி
see, children. First, I'll write and show it to you in a slate. Then I'll present you. Okay? See, E letter. What you have to do? All of you look here first. Don't start writing.
மேம்
All of
பாக்க
you
சொல்றாங்க
look
பாரு
here. Look here, all of you. Don't start writing, children. E letter. Our first step, you all remember, right? Take your pointer finger. Keep it on the letter. First
லெட்டர்ல வை
here, one from here. Sleeping
வை
line.
அதுல
Then get a curve like this. E. Okay. Take your pointer finger. Keep it in number one. Where is number one? See, where is number one? Here. Right?
தம்பி
So,
கீழ
you have
வை
to
தம்பி
go
கிழிச்சிரும்.
right and put a curve like this. First, you have to draw a
curve
sleeping line. That is the
Follow.
correct step, children. Watch
இல்ல, இல்ல.
closely. Everyone should see ma'am now. I want everyone to look at ma'am. Then you start writing. Okay, children? You're all good children, right? Yes, all of you look at ma'am. Very good children. See, number one is here. From here, you are going to draw a sleeping line. Then you are going to put a curve. Children, when you trace like this only, you will know how to write the alphabet using your pencil. Okay. So first, this step is very important. So sleeping line and a curve. Make a letter E. Okay. Now take your worksheet.
அண்ணே
Yes. Start writing now. Ma'am is going to present now. Okay. Yes, this is the sheet, children. Are you all ready? First, we are going to name the pictures, okay? First, name the pictures. E for elbow. Elbow. Okay, next egg. Okay, children. And our next picture is elephant. And our next picture engine. Okay, first name the pictures and then start writing. Okay. Now come down. First write the capital E. Okay, how will you write the capital E, children? Standing line, 3 sleeping line. Make a letter E. Standing line, 3 sleeping line. Make a letter E. E. Standing line, 3 sleeping line. Make a letter E. Neatly you write, okay? Slowly write, children. No need to hurry up. Can write slowly. Once you finish capital E, then we'll move on to our small e. Okay? Slowly write. Standing line, 3 sleeping line, make a letter E. Have to spell and write, children. All of you are very quiet now. Why? Have to spell and write. E. Have to say E. Standing line, 3 sleeping line, make a letter E. Yeah. E. I think everyone finished writing E. Yes? Now we are going to move to our small letter. Okay? Shall we move, children? See, I am going to show you how to write small e. See, first draw a sleeping line and then a curve. Okay? Should not take out your hand. Okay? In one stretch, you have to write. First, draw a sleeping line and then you have to go up. Like see, you have to do. Okay? Very good. Kavyani, you got it? The sleeping line, a curve like this. Without taking out your hand, you have to do. Okay, Kavyani, mute. E. See, sleeping line. Start from the sleeping line and then a curve. You'll write C, right? Like C, if you put, it becomes E. Okay, children? Sleeping line and a curve. Yes, very easy, right? Sleeping line and a curve. E. Sleeping line and a curve. Make a letter E. Spell and write, children. Please spell and write, children. Then only you will remember the alphabet. Okay? Tarnika, what happened, ma? You finished? Tarnika finished? Rohita finished? Those who finished, lift your worksheets and show it to ma'am. Come on. Let me see how fast my children are writing. Those who finished, lift your worksheet and show it to ma'am. Okay, I'm going to come back. Yeah, children. Yes, let me see. How many of you finished? Yes, Farnas. Farnas is writing. Kartikeyan is writing. Rohita. What is Rohita doing? Let me see. Rohita. Rohita, you are a left-hander. Rohita is writing the left.
Yes, ma'am. She is 2 hands.
2 hands. No, you just practice her writing with 1 hand.
Yes, ma'am. But sometimes she pain feeling. She changed to left hand.
But she is okay with both the hands. She is comfortable with both the hands.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
my
comfortable.
God. Okay, fine. Kavyani finished. Gayatri finished. Gayatri finished. Come on, show me your sheet. Show me your sheet. And let ma'am see your paper. Very good, Danvin, very good. Gayatri. Gayatri is there. Show me your worksheet. Or else if you have written in your rough notebook, it's also okay. Show it to ma'am. Very good, Danvin. You have written well. Very good. Then who finished? Very good. Who is that small E? Small. Very good. Farnas, very nice, Farnas. Very good, Rohita. Very good, Rohita. I want everyone to spell and write like that, okay? Very good, Janvi, very good. One by one, lift your sheet. Little bit up, Gayatri. Little bit up. Little bit up like this and show Gayatri.
One standing
Up.
line.
Like this you have to show. Gayatri,
Ma'am,
show
just
near the camera. You have to show the notebook near the camera. Yeah, show the notebook near the camera. Very good, very good.
yesterday మొత్తం finish అక్క.
Very good, Hashni, very good. Then who's this? I can't see the child face, only I can see the worksheet. I don't know who is that. Vivan. Vivan, very good, Vivan. Kavyani. Finished? Very good, Kavyani.
Yes, అమ్మా ఈ
Very nice, Kavyani. Wow. Superb.
Thank you.
Writing. Tilakar. Tilakar is writing. Tilakar, show me your book. What you are writing? Let me see. Wow, Tilakar. That is Kathy. Where is your small E? Where is your small E? Yes, start writing. Very good, very good. Start writing. Devkrit, very good. Pranita, very, very good. Pranita. Zaidi. Yes, Zaidi. Karthikeyan. I didn't. Where is Karthikeyan? Karthikeyan.
Yes.
Yeah, very good, Karthikeyan. Well done, well done. Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. I saw your book. Very nice, Rohita. Yes, I saw yours. It's nice. Yes, very good. Well done, well done. Okay, our next worksheet is going to be the number children. Number 11. Okay, I'll show you the 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Okay. 1, 1, 11. We'll have the grapes picture here. Okay, are you all ready? Take the worksheet, come on. 1, 1, 11 worksheets. 1, 1, 11. Can you see Rohita's mom?
Oh, one ma'am.
1, 1, 11, 11 worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone take your 11 worksheets. It's very easy, children. You can write it very easily, but you have to spell and write. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. You have to say like that and write. Okay? Now come on, start writing. Zaidi, where are you, Zaidi? Did you finish, Zaidi? Zaidi? Where is Zaidi? Vishank and Zaidi.
Sorry about that. I didn't hear anything.
Very good. Vishank.
అమ్మ వీళ్ళ కనిపించట్లేదు.
Vishank is also writing. Vishank, what are you writing? Show it to ma'am. Show your sheet to ma'am. Come on. Yes, show me your sheet. Show me how you have written, Vishank. Yes, children, start writing 11. Before that, we'll count the pictures. Okay, how many objects are there? Okay, children. Wait.
అమ్మా రోహిత నువ్వు రాత్రి రాసావు నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్టర్డే రాసావు తినిపిస్తారా పెట్టుకో కెమెరా ఇది ఎందుకు ఎక్కడ చూస్తా
Yeah, children, all of you take this worksheet. 11. Number 11. Count first. Okay, children. Take your pencils. First, take your pencil. We are going to count, okay? First, we are going to count the number of grapes, okay? Ready, all of you? Count one by one. Strike out and count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is group of 10. And after 10, 1, 1, 11. Okay, children. 11. Okay, now start writing. 1, 1, 11. You have to spell and write, children.
11.
1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. See how ma'am is spelling and writing, right? See, writing everything is not important, children. You have to spell and write. Okay, Pranita, mute yourself. Pranita, mute. Monica, mute. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Like that, you have to spell and write, children. Those who are spelling and writing your worksheet are very, 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 very good children. Okay? Now come on, spell and write. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Okay?
I'm finishing.
Come on, lift your sheet and show it to me, those who finished. Yes. Come on. Everybody goes to finish. Lift your book and show it to me. Very good. Farnaz, Danvin, Pranita, Gayatri. Very nice. Next, Hashni. Good, good. Very good. Nitek. Then, Vivan. Very good. And then, who is this? Kartikeyan. No. Tarvika. Very good. Rohita. Very good. Very good, children. Very, very good. See how fast you finished. Now only ma'am finished. But you all finished earlier. Very good, children. Come on, finish it first. Today we have a story. You all want story, right? Yes, you all need story. Come on, finish it first. And close your book. Keep it aside. Then you finish. After you finish, close the book and keep it aside. Ma'am is going to tell you a story. Pepper story. Come on. Be ready. Some of you are writing. Kartikeyan, good. I saw yours. Next. Very good diction. Very good. Tilakar.
Elena ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Who is that? Tilakar, are you writing, ma? Yeah, I saw yours, Siddharth. Very nice, Siddharth. Good boy. Very good, children. Clap hands for yourself, children. Very, very good, children. Okay, now ma'am is going to tell you the story. Are you all ready? Sit straight. Keep it aside. Tilakar, very good, Tilakar. Good boy, Tilakar. Now, keep your book, Tilakar. Keep it aside. Yeah, ma'am is going to tell you the story, right? Now, I'm going to present you. Listen carefully. Ma'am is going to ask you questions, okay? So, listen carefully. Yes, children. Can you see? Yes. Can you see the picture? Pepper watches too much TV. Yes. Everyone mute yourself. Everyone should mute yourself. First, you have to mute. Only I'll start the story. Everyone mute yourself. Mute. Sorry, someone here has not muted. Una ma'am, can you mute them? Yeah. Pranita, mute yourself. Nobody should unmute yourself. Everybody should mute yourself. Okay? Now, What is the name of the story? Pepper watches too much TV. Okay, still somebody has unmuted yourself. Who is that? Everyone, please mute yourself. Everyone, mute yourself. Pranita, mute Pranita. Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Yes, very good. Pepper watches too much TV. Shall we see what is happening here? See what is Pepper doing? Pepper is watching TV, and you can see here his friends are here, right? What they are doing? They are calling, come on Pepper, let's race, come on, let's go out and play. But what Pepper is saying? Pepper is saying, no, I don't want to play. I want to see TV. I'm not going to come out and play. Okay, children. And then what happened? See here, Mama is also saying, Mama, Peppa, come on, take bath. Don't watch too much of TV. Come on, take bath. But what Pepper is saying, no, Mama, I'll watch this show and then I'll go and take bath. Now I can't go and take bath, Mama. I'm going to watch this show. See here, children, what he is doing. It's very bad, right? And then what happened? What Pepper is doing? Can you see, children? Pepper is having his food. Where? In front of the TV. Will anybody sit in front of the TV like this and have your food? Have to go sit in the table and have your food, right? But what, see Pepper, what he is doing? Mama is saying, back to the table, Pepper. But what Pepper is saying? No, Mama, I want to sit near the TV and then I want to eat my food. I will not go there. What happened? Mama is saying, no, Pepper, it's very bad. You have to go and eat in the table only. You should not sit here. And after some time, what happened? Pepper is rubbing his eyes like this. See how he is rubbing his eyes? What happened? His eyes are hurting. Hurting means it is burning. He cannot see everything. Okay, it's burning. It has become red in color. Okay, why it has become red in color, children? Why? Because he's watching too much of TV. That's why his eyes was hurting. Okay, children. Then what Mama said? See, you have been watching TV for a long time, right? That's why your eyes are burning. Okay, when you watch too much of TV, your eyes will burn, children. Okay, then you can't see anything. You will have to wear specs and all. Okay, so no need of that. You have to be careful. Don't watch too much of TV. That's what Mama also told Pepper. Okay. Then what Pepper said? Very, very bad TV. Hereafter, I will not at all watch too much of TV. Okay. Then what Pepper did? That's right, Pepper. Too much of TV is bad for your eyes. You have to go outside and play. Okay. Now see again, Pepper friends are there. They are coming and calling him. Pepper, come on, let's go and play. Now what Pepper is saying? Yes, Mama. Shall I go and play with them? I am ready to go and play with them. Then Mama said, very good, Pepper. Go out and play. It is very good for your health. Instead of sitting in front of the TV all the time, you have to go out and play with your friends also. Okay? See how much fun Pepper is having? See, he's very happy. He's playing with his friends. What is he playing? He's playing football, right? See how happily he's playing? And then he returned back. And what did he say to Mama? Mama, it was very nice. I had lot of fun. I enjoyed the day. Instead of looking TV, I have to go outside and play. Then only I'll be healthy. And I love playing with my friends. Okay, children. Sitting alone in front of the TV is not good. Go out. Play with your friends, be happy and stay healthy, okay? Now, ma'am is going to come out and I'm going to ask you some questions, Okay, a small recap of the story one more time. Pepper was watching too much of TV. He was not going outside to play when his friends was calling him. Okay. Then Mama said, don't do like this, Pepper. Don't watch too much of TV. It is not good for you. You have to go out and play. But what Pepper said, he will not go out and play. And then what Mama said, you have to go and take bath. Then also what Pepper said, no Mama, I will not take bath. I will see TV only. Okay. Then lunchtime also, he was not having lunch in the table. He was having his lunch near the TV. That was also a bad habit. Yes, children? Then automatically his eyes started burning. He was rubbing his eyes like this. Okay. And Mama said, it is all because you are watching too much of TV. You should not watch like that. Then Pepper, he said, it is bad TV. I'm not going to watch too much of TV from now onwards. And he started to play with his friends. He was playing with his friends. He had lot of fun. And finally, he realized playing outside with his friends is really fun. Okay, children, now I'm going to come back and ask you some questions. Are you all ready? Yes, be ready. Yes. Yes, children, did you all like the story? Did you all like the story? Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no? Thumbs up. If you all like the story, thumbs up. Yes, very good. Now I'm going to ask you one question. Farnaz, what is the name of
the story?
Okay, mute others. Others have to mute. Okay? Kavyani, mute yourself, children. Everyone mute yourself. Kavyani,
Wait.
what is the name of the story, Kavyani? Pepper watches too much TV. Okay? What is the name of the story? TV. Okay? Kartikeyan, what is the name of the story? Pepper watches too much of TV. Okay? Zadie? Zadie, what is the name of the story, Zadie? Zadie? Come on, Zadie. Zadie, what is the name of the story? Very good, Gayatri. You answered. Well done, Gayatri. Very good. Okay, what is the name of the character in the story? Who was watching too much of TV? What is his name? Can anybody tell me? Raise your hand, those who know the answer. Who was watching too much of TV? Who is going to say? Kartikeyan. Tilakar is going to say. Come on, Tilakar. Tell me who was watching too much of TV? Who was watching? Pepper. Very good, Tilakar. Well done, Tilakar. Super. And what happened to Pepper eyes? Who is going to say? Nightek. Come on, tell me, Nightek. What happened to Pepper eyes?
Burning.
Was burning. And it became what color? Red in color. Yes. Okay, next, Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Solo.
Siddharth, is watching too much of TV good habit or bad habit? Bad habit. You should not see too much of TV, okay? Okay, next question is, whom shall I ask? Danvin. Yes. Danvin, where are you? Yeah, Danvin. Where was Pepper having his food? Pepper, where he was sitting and having his food?
சத்தமா
Yes,
சொல்லு.
he was in front of TV. Super. Very good. Very good. Next, Gayatri. Gayatri is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Did Pepper take bath? Did Pepper take bath? Did Pepper take bath? Yes, she took bath. Oh, when Mama said don't take bath, Pepper did not take his bath. Okay. He said, no, Mama, I want to watch the show. Yes. He said like that, right? He didn't take bath. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then finally, what did Pepper do finally? Did he play with his friends? Ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
Did he play with his friends? Did Pepper play with his friends?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Ashley. Very good children. Wonderful children. You all listened to the story very well and you also answered very well. Okay. So thumbs up for you all. Clap your hands. Very good children. Very, very good. And parents, today's homework, yesterday you wrote IJKL, right? Today will be MNOP. In 4-line notebook, you'll be writing MNOP. Max homework like yesterday, I'll put in WhatsApp. You can see to that. Okay. So thank you, children. Thank you so much. So much for your cooperation. Bye bye.
Bye, Vanilla ma'am.